Welcome to Silent Stories, where we inspire and guide you through life's milestones. Today, we'll explore an exciting and transformative topic: things to do after turning 40. Turning 40 is a major milestone, but it's also a time to reflect, refocus, and reignite your passions. It's not about what you haven't done, it's about what you can still achieve. Let's dive into the opportunities and actionable steps to make your 40s the most fulfilling chapter yet. Embrace health like never before. Your 40s are the perfect time to prioritize your health. Did you know that after 40, your metabolism slows by about 2% per decade? Start by scheduling a comprehensive health checkup. Early detection of potential issues can increase your chances of staying healthy by over 70%. Incorporate strength training into your routine to maintain muscle mass, which naturally decreases by 1% per year after 40. Explore a new hobby or passion. Your 40s are the ideal time to rediscover yourself. Studies show that picking up a new hobby reduces stress by 50% and enhances creativity. Whether it's painting, gardening, learning an instrument, or even dancing, now is the time to explore your interests. Invest in your financial future. Turning 40 often marks the halfway point to retirement. It's crucial to reassess your financial goals. Increase your retirement savings. Experts recommend having at least 3 times your annual salary saved by 40. Diversify your investments to secure a stable financial future. If you haven't already, create or update your will. It's a key step in protecting your family. Strengthen relationships. Life gets busy, but your 40s are a great time to nurture meaningful relationships. Research shows that people with strong social connections live 50% longer than those who don't. Reconnect with old friends, spend quality time with family, and express gratitude regularly. Learn something new. Age is no barrier to learning. Did you know that people who continue learning new skills are 30% less likely to develop memory-related issues later in life? Sign up for an online course, read books on topics you're curious about, or attend workshops. Travel to your dream destinations. If you've always dreamed of seeing the world, now's the time to make it happen. Studies reveal that travel improves overall happiness by 88% and reduces stress significantly. Create a travel bucket list and plan trips that align with your passions, whether it's adventure, culture, or relaxation. Prioritize mental wellness. Your mental health is just as important as your physical health. Around 1 in 5 adults over 40 experiences anxiety or depression. Practice mindfulness techniques like meditation or journaling. Even 10 minutes a day can improve focus and reduce stress. Consider speaking with a therapist to navigate any challenges and achieve emotional clarity. Give back to the community. Contributing to causes you care about fosters a sense of purpose. Volunteering just 2 hours per week can improve happiness and reduce feelings of isolation. Look for local charities, mentor younger individuals, or participate in community events. Focus on self-care. Turn your 40s into the decade of self-care. Treat yourself to spa days, invest in skincare routines, or simply take time to relax. Small acts of self-care, like getting adequate sleep or pursuing hobbies, can boost happiness by 30%. Plan for the future. While it's essential to live in the moment, having a clear vision for the future is equally important. Write down your personal and professional goals. Studies show that people who set written goals are 42% more likely to achieve them. Strengthen your legacy. Think about the mark you want to leave behind. Start a blog, write a book, or document your life story. Sharing your experiences and lessons can inspire others and give your life a deeper sense of meaning. Take care of your heart. Heart disease risk increases with age, but regular exercise, a balanced diet, and stress management can reduce the risk by up to 80%. Incorporate heart-healthy foods like avocados, nuts, and leafy greens into your meals. Try something out of your comfort zone. Push your limits. Whether it's skydiving, running a marathon, or starting a business, stepping out of your comfort zone builds confidence. Express gratitude daily. Practicing gratitude has been shown to increase overall happiness by 25%. Reflect on your blessings, whether big or small, and appreciate life's journey. Conclusion: your 40s are not about slowing down, they're about embracing opportunities, setting new goals, and becoming the best version of yourself. Thank you for joining us on Silent Stories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Let's make your 40s extraordinary.